Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. In this video I would like to show you how I make butter cake at home without mixer or the oven. Stay with me. So first I grease my pan with oil. I add in some flour and I spread it evenly around the pan and discard the excess. My parchment paper, I place it on and make a round circle. Then I cut off the excess like so. Put the parchment paper into the pan. I grease it with a little oil. Then I set the pan aside. I break in 6 eggs into a bowl. I add in a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Mix it in together till it gets fluffy. I'll have to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. How it's going to look like. Then I set it aside. In another bowl, I add in 2 tablespoons of butter. I add in 1 cup of granulated sugar. And I whisk it all in together. You keep turning it till this color changes from yellow to milkish color. This took about 10 minutes to get to this color. You can see it has doubled in size. So we'll go ahead and add it into the egg. Add the butter and sugar into the egg. I mix it in. Mix it in till it becomes even. This is how it's going to look like. Then I set it aside. Here I have 2 cups of flour. I also add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a little salt. And I sift it all in. It's important to sift it in to break out the flour molecules. Then I get my batter back and gradually add in the flour. Gradually. And I keep turning it. And I add in milk bit by bit. I add in more milk. At this point, I don't turn it too hard. I just fold it in. Our batter is ready. We'll go ahead and pour it into the pan. Tap the pan to release the bubbles. You can also use your toothpick. Go it round like this. I place the pot on a low heat and I place in this. If you don't have this, you can use a stove stand or a stainless plate. You turn it upside down. Place in my cake pan. Cover the pot. My pot has been on a very low heat for 40 minutes now. And now I can perceive the aroma of the cake very well. You don't have to open this pot from time to time so that the vapor of the cake doesn't evaporate. And make sure your pot is tightly closed. So let's go ahead and open it up. Wow. This is my cake. I insert a toothpick. and it comes out very smooth. That's to tell me that my cake is ready. Wow. I gently lift out the cake and place in a flat surface. This is our cake on a flat surface. I allow it to cool down for at least 25 minutes before I bring it out from the pan. The cake is completely cooled, so with a knife I run it through. And I flip it over. And I peel out the parchment paper. Wow. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. And if this video has been of any help to you, please click on the like button to support the work that I do. So this is our cake. You can make this at home and let me know in the comment section how it came out for you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.